Edmonton to Toronto. This flight departs from Edmonton, Canada, heading to the bustling city of Toronto, Ontario. The journey covers approximately 2,700 kilometers, cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. After takeoff, the route heads southeast over the Canadian prairies, passing above Saskatchewan and Manitoba. The aircraft then continues over northern Ontario before approaching the Greater Toronto area. Weather conditions along the route are expected to be clear, ensuring a smooth and comfortable flight. The estimated flight time is around 4 hours. Passengers can enjoy vast and changing landscapes as the aircraft travels from western to eastern Canada toward Toronto.